This luxurious two-story house, crafted from four 40-foot shipping containers, creates a total of 1,280 plus square feet of habitable space. The home's front door opens into a warm and inviting interior, which has a spectacular kitchen with sleek stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, dark green under the counter and overhead storage cabinets, a well-finished kitchen backsplash, and a beautiful center island ideal for any busy family. Behind the kitchen island is a striking teal sofa fitted in front of a large glass window that splashes the indoor space with abundant natural light. From the kitchen is a sun-filled dining area fitted with a simple yet elegant live-edge dining table big enough to sit four, overlooking the beautiful outdoors. Next to the dining area is a cozy lounge space that features a comfortable two-seat couch paired with tufted armchairs, a smart TV, and a large glass window inviting in lots of natural light. The light wood laminate flooring and a warm wood paneled ceiling creates an ambience that's spacious, airy, and utterly inviting. Past the kitchen and the living area is a stunning powder room. Of the living area is the first bedroom. The bedroom is decorated with functionality and elegance, where this luxurious space features a cozy double bed and a TV to watch at your own comfort. Of the first bedroom is a stunning bathroom featuring a fully tiled shower cubicle, a toilet, a modern wash hand basin with storage, and a mirror that amplifies the space. A custom staircase tailored from wood and steel connects to the second story of the house, which has a very versatile layout with a large flexible space perfect for a home office, and is fitted with a large window that opens onto the second floor deck, integrating the interior of the property with the outdoors. The second bedroom is fully furnished and fitted with full-height glass windows and four comfortable twin beds. The full-height windows offer incredible views of the landscape. At the same time, the curtains can be drawn for privacy when necessary. The third bedroom is not only just cozy and spacious, but also well lit by full-height glazing that offer incredible views of the wooded landscape. It features a cozy queen bed with bedside cabinets and lots of space to move around. The two upstairs bedrooms share a single bathroom, which features a bathtub, a shower, a toilet, and a vanity with storage. While luxury custom finishes dominate this design, industrial finishes offer the main decorative style in the house. It uses the rawness of the exposed steel walls as a charm. The walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces appear bigger and brighter, helping to eliminate any claustrophobic feel associated with living in a container box. As dusk sets, the home transforms. Strings of colorful lights flicker on, wrapping you in a cozy blanket of warmth, making every evening a cool, picturesque moment against the cool wooded embrace of the Arkansas hills. Surrounded by metal railings, the rooftop deck is decked out with sun loungers so you can soak up the Arkansas sun in your very own private sunbathing haven. From outside, there is no secret that this is a shipping container house. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a beautiful shade which brings out the industrial charm of the house. The home offers excellent outdoor spaces to complement the limited indoor living space. The high quality of workmanship, the big and sizable spaces, the beautiful outdoor living spaces, and the pristine landscape of the forest and the water features make this amazing container home to stand out. This house is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing luxurious home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning to build one, you can buy yourself a set of blueprints from our website sheltermode.com or our sister website thearchitainer.com. From there you'll find a good set of drawings at a discounted rate of only $99. Feel free to check them out if you have any questions or if you need a custom designed house, and we will design it for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You're encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers, and by doing so you will help our channel reach many viewers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, and on Twitter at ShelterMode, or on email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.